I know this is horrible, but so I installed the Auxbeam 8 gang. Mounted it. I'll do another video when there's light out, but ran the wire all the way under and into that nipple. This was really easy to take off. Let me show you something. I screwed it into the dash and I did the accessory to the I think the fog lights. There she is. So now I'm gonna watch out. I'm trying to figure out why it's that. Why is it doing that? Well, anyways, we'll see what's going on with that light. So I haven't wired anything up yet. I ordered the Putco 30-inch or 20-inch, and my light was the Putco 30-inch bracket for behind the thing, and the light was there is the switch, aux switch. I'm trying to figure out why it was getting brighter, but no, this isn't staying on. Oh, okay, obviously it's programming. I haven't figured out the switch yet, but this is it. The 8 gang, I rang it under the steering wheel in here into that nipple. But yeah, once I get the lights, I'll wire it up and I'll show you guys what it looks like.
What is that for?